Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the 10% application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the support section, click on the contact button. And as you can see, there are two options here, at least if you have an iPhone. So you can send them a mail by Apple, so with the Apple Mail application, or you can do that through Gmail. So just click on the one that's most optional for you, and you can write them with anything. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.